I wish love you 아무도 모르지 어떻게든 너 만나서 예쁜
Hey guys, Irene here. I'm so sorry for not posting for 2 weeks. I was working on something really exciting. I'm gonna have a video on that project really soon. But for right now, I wanted to share some of my really cool thrift and vintage finds with you guys. I also will throw some of the stuff that I purchased from Aliexpress. And before we start, I wanted to mention that this video is actually sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with more than 17,000 classes in photography, videography, productivity, and more. It is great for people who want to make their passion a full-time job and for people who want to start their own businesses. Premium membership begins at around $10 a month, but for the first 100 people to sign up through my link, you will get 2 months of Skillshare for just 99 cents. These spots typically go quite quickly, so make sure you get in. The link will be in the description down below. I'm personally super interested in this astrophotography tutorial by Ian Norman, but they have so much more, so go ahead and check them out. Alright, so the very first item that I want to show you guys is this beautiful purple lavender dress. It was only $13.99 and I got this at Value Village. Kind of looks like someone made it themselves. It's actually pretty poofy and I love the fabric. It's really stiff. It's pretty editorial and it's I don't have anything like that in my collection, so I was really happy to find this beautiful dress. Next in the dresses is this blue piece. I've already shot it a few times because it's so beautiful. I got this one from Etsy. I don't remember the price. I'm gonna insert it somewhere on the screen. I just fell in love with these little ties that go on your shoulders, kind of similar to the shirt I'm wearing right now, and it's beautiful color. I love the lace on it. It's really big and flowy. Again, a great find. This next item some of you might recognize because I already used it in multiple videos. This is just such a good piece for layering and just using in your photo shoots. I absolutely love it. This is just a little slip. I got this from Etsy as well and it was fairly cheap. I think from either $25 or $30. Beautiful piece. So the star of the show is definitely this huge dress. I got this one from Etsy. It is so amazing. It's super heavy. I mean, look at the sleeves. Look at the details here. The lace. Everything is just so beautiful and I love the layered tiers on the skirt. I actually have this dress on my mannequin because it's so beautiful and I want to look at it all the time. It really reminds me of like the Pirate of the Caribbean. I just want to put a corset on and just tighten it up and maybe pair it with some really cool hat, and I think it's gonna be a really cool like Renaissance type of piece. Love this dress. This is another piece I got from Etsy. I've been shopping on Etsy a lot recently because for some reason these past few trips to my local Value Village weren't as good, so I just kind of resorted to online shopping, and Etsy is awesome for finding some vintage and thrifted items. This is another one that I really like. I've been really into this blue color lately. I just love the sleeves here and the high collar, all of the ruffles. This is like a two-piece nightgown, so we have the nightie and then kind of the robe that goes on top. It is so girly. I absolutely love this piece. So the next piece is this beautiful little see-through robe. It is such a delicate pink color. I love all of the ruffles. I love the sleeves. Again, I'm really into layering, and this is a perfect layering piece for my photo shoots. So it's just so pretty, and I also got this from Etsy. Okay, let's move on into some smaller pieces. So I found this petticoat from Value Village. I believe it was around $7, $6 or $7. This is pretty cool. I was looking for petticoats on Etsy and they were really expensive, ranging from like $30 to $100. So I was super happy that I found something like this at my local Value Village, and I also already used this. It's perfect to make any dress just look poofier, or you can even use it on its own Again, I just love anything see-through, so this is awesome. Now these next three pieces I want to show together. I got these items at Goodwill, and if you live in USA, you probably don't have Value Village, you'll have Goodwill. And I actually found out that Goodwill was cheaper than Value Village here in Calgary. I don't know if it's just the currency difference, but these pieces were definitely cheaper. So the first things are these little bloomers. They're pink. They are so adorable. I still have the price tag here. So they were $3.58. And then to go with it is this a little slip type of shirt. It looks like this. It was also $3.58. I thought that the pink just matched so nice together. So what I did, I just put these items together, and then I strapped a corset on top of the whole thing just to kind of tie in the whole outfit together. And oh my god, that is just the most adorable outfit ever. I can't wait to photograph this specific outfit. Kind of reminds me of those images from Victorian era of the girls just wearing their undergarments before they get dressed into their big dresses. I just love it so much. Okay, so in the realm of petticoats, I got this thing from Aliexpress. So this is not a vintage item. This is a new item that I bought from the wholesale website. I love Aliexpress. I think I mentioned it multiple times here on my YouTube channel. This was only around, I think, $25 to $30. Came actually really quickly, and it's absolutely amazing. Again, I'm just really into the whole like undergarment thing at the moment, so I thought that this is such a unique and cool item to have. Again, I can't wait to shoot with it and show you guys what I come up when using it. This is another item that I got from AliExpress. These are the Ballerina Slippers, and I wanted to do a ballerina themed photo shoot for so long. I couldn't find any ballerina slippers that were cheap enough for me to buy. So again, I went on AliExpress and I was able to find these. They are actually really nice quality just for dancing. But for a photo shoot itself, these are great. Again, can't wait to use these. Now we have gloves. These ones I found on Etsy, and they are so beautiful. Again, ruffles, the see-through material. I love this ivory color. It is so beautiful, and I love the little ties over here. The next item is a wig, and if you guys watched my last video, you know that I used a blonde, really curly wig in my last photo shoot. I really loved the idea of using wigs if the girl doesn't have really long hair, or if you don't have enough time to style it. The wig is already styled and curled, and it's beautiful, and you can really transform the look of the model with just, you know, changing her hair color. The blonde wig was from an actual wig company. They are from Everyday Wigs, but this one right here was just from a seller on AliExpress. This one is a lot cheaper. I think it was around $18 to $20, and you guys, I am obsessed. This is crazy good quality. Like, look at this hair. It looks real. It's not shiny. It does not tangle. It feels so soft. And a little tip with wigs, if you are thinking of buying wigs, and specifically cheap wigs, I would definitely recommend to go for something with bangs, because then you will be able to kind of camouflage the really ugly like hairline and really fake one. So yeah, whenever you have a wig with the bang, it's just gonna camouflage that, and it's gonna look pretty real. I absolutely love this wig. It is so pretty. So the next few accessories are crowns, and I love to buy them from AliExpress if I don't make them myself. So this is the first crown right here. We just have rhinestones and flowers. This one was pretty cheap, and it's pretty cute. I like, again, the pink and the blue and the gold together. It's gonna match with a lot of the stuff that I already have. The next one right here I'm obsessed with is this star crown. It's super sparkly. It bends, so you can really go ahead and adjust it to any head size. You can use it in different ways too. You can just kind of flatten it to your head, or you can really put it on top of your hair as a crown. Wow. This one right here is probably one of my favorite crowns that I bought. I already used it so much. It is just so delicate and feminine and beautiful. It's this butterfly wire crown. It is so pretty. It reminds me of like fairies, woodland fairies. Oh, it's just so angelic and beautiful. And again, this one right here was from Aliexpress.
네가 기다리는 건 넌 내가 만날 수 있도록 always stay.
Okay, the very last crown is actually from Value Village. So this is it. It's very sparkly. It's very princessy. I haven't used it yet, but again, I'm super excited to use it. It was $7.99. I still have a little price tag over here. But yeah, I'm always happy to find these type of things at the local thrift store because they're always cheaper, and I love whenever the item has that kind of worn out look, just like this crown does. And I love how they combined the beads and the crystals together. It just looks so pretty and dainty, and actually looks pretty expensive too. I really love this crown. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see a tour of my craft room. If you are, I will definitely make a video on that. Again, thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. My sponsors really helped me to continue making these free videos for you guys. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!